Okay, I think I am live now. Uh, if you all can see me, it would be nice to get a hi from you to know that there's people watching me live, and then I can actually start, the reason that I'm here today. Is anyone watching? Is anyone here? Okay, I've got a like already. Hi, Suyash, what's up? How's it going? Who else do I have? I have a lot of people coming in now. Lovely. Great. Thank you for letting me know that you can hear me. How is the quarantine treating everybody? What are you doing? Are you picking up a new skill? Are you learning to play the guitar? I definitely am. Are you learning how to cook? I know, tough times for all of us, but I think this is just another way of figuring out and reflecting a little bit who we are. Hi, Ushmi. Welcome aboard. Thank you for typing in. Okay, I'm just going to wait another 30 seconds so that all of the people who want to know more about Ikigai can join in as well. Hi, Jigar, Krina. Hi, everyone. Thank you for joining it. Hi. How's it going? Okay. So I'm just going to quickly share with you because a lot of people asked me when I shared the name of the preschool about what Ikigai really is, why I've chosen the name. I had people asking me if it's if it's the short form for another word. A lot of you though surprised me when you told me that you've already read the book. Hi Sejal, how are you? How is the lockdown treating you and what are you doing? I'd love to know. So a lot of people said that they already have heard of the concept of Ikigai and that it's a Japanese concept. So yes, I'm just going to quickly flash before you how I got inspired to choose this name. Hi, Kaki, how are you? Okay, so this is a book, a Japanese book, and the concept of Ikigai is where I came across the concept. Hey Akshita, how are you doing? So Ikigai actually, in very very simple terms, is your reason for being. You know, your purpose, your aim. Like, why do you wake up every morning? Hi, Suneha. Do you know there are a lot of people who wake up every day and go to office, and it's mundane for them just because that's how life is. But a lot of us have found our ikigai. And when I say we found our ikigai, it means our reason for being. Like, what is it that, the moment you wake up, what excites you? What gets you going? Why do you want to quickly get up, grab that cup of coffee or grab that cup of tea and get going and do something that day? I'm a huge fan of Luke Coutinho, and Luke talks about finding your meaning for the day. So the moment you wake up, you should set an intent for yourself, an intention. Like, what do you want to do today? And that's pretty much Ikigai. So a lot of definitions have come up for the word Ikigai. The simplest is your reason for being or the reason you jump out of bed every morning. So think about why, you wake up every morning and you're excited, and what is it that you're excited to do? Are you excited to bring about a small change, maybe at home, or maybe at a place that you work for, or maybe in the larger sense, you want to change the world around you? And especially in times of the lockdown and in times of Corona, I think all of us, are thinking in our little ways how we can make the world a better place. Hi, Khyati, Sanjana. I'm really, really loving the interaction that's coming in. And in just a bit, I'll be ready to take questions. So to put it in a nutshell, I found my Ikigai when I started working with children. In fact, when I started studying child psychology back at SVT College, and I'm so proud of that. And then at Nirmala Niketan, and after that, a lot of universities. Had the pleasure of working with my mentor, Fatima Agarkar, for over 8 years now, and I continue to be with her, and her blessings continue to be with me. I think I found my Ikigai there. And my Ikigai, or my reason for jumping out of bed every morning, is to make a difference in the lives of little children. Like, if I feel I can even impact one child every day, which is make that child happy. I don't care about whether the child really learns something. I'm sure they learn while we go. But my intent is not to help them learn better. My intent is to make them happy, to have a productive day, to feel excited when they come to my class or to the school or to the program that I'm interacting with them, even with my online videos. So my Ikigai is to help children, have a great day, have a happy day, and turn into street smart children, children who can face the world, children who can face problems, find ways out, problem solving, critical thinking. हम लोग ये बहुत सारे बड़े बड़े वर्ड्स यूज करते हैं, एडुकेटर्स स्पेशली, कि हमारे स्कूल में हम आपको क्रिटिकल थिंकर्स बना देंगे, है ना, हम आपको क्यूरियस कॉन्फिडेंट किड्स बना देंगे. बट they all the time, like, nobody talks about happiness, and that's a very short but a very sweet concept. So for me, Ikigai Global Prep School is my reason for being. It's my reason for life. It's my purpose. And here I am fulfilling this dream. I hope that after this video, you sit back and reflect. What is your Ikigai? What makes you wake up every morning and be excited to jump out of bed? थोड़ा टाइम लगता है, कभी किसी को 18 years में पता चल जाता है, मुझे 22 पता चला. Some people might even know it at 30, 40, 50. I don't know, but as long as you find it, you'll be happy, because that's the Japanese hit way of survival, of happy lifestyle, of living healthy. And also, one more thing that I love about Ikigai is Ikigai and Japan ke andar there is no concept of retirement. In the language in the Japanese language, there is no word for retirement, which means you work till you live, you work till your last day of life. Isn't that beautiful? I wish that I can work till the last day for children, virtually, physically, once the lockdown shuts down and the school opens up. But that's the hope, and that's the vision with Ikigai. And that's why we've come up with the name Ikigai Global Prep School. If you have looked at the logo, and I know you have, because I've got so many comments coming in to say the logo looks beautiful and they love it. Credit goes to Khyati. The tagline for the school is play, passion and purpose, because that's how we intend that the children will grow. They will start by playing, and then slowly they develop a passion for a particular type of play, and then lastly they reach their purpose or their Ikigai. I'm not saying my preschoolers will reach Ikigai at the age of 3, 4 or 5. I'm saying that I'm leading them onto the path for them finding their Ikigai as well. All we have to do as teachers and educators is be there for them, create that environment for them, and that's my intention with IGPS. I'll be happy to take questions now, before I can end this video in terms of what the Ikigai diagram looks like. Yes, I will definitely connect with you, Suneha. Hi, Nirupa. Thank you for tuning in. Hello, Agata. How are you? Hi, Jill. Hi, Rids. Farnaz, Mukti, Akshita. Love you guys. Sanjana. Okay, I'm waiting for questions. Thank you, Jill. Thanks that you like the concept. I would love some questions. In fact, can I ask you a question? What is your Ikigai? Has any of you people found their Ikigai, or their reason for being, the reason they jump out of bed every morning? I'd love to know. Hi, Nandini. I'm sure you found your Ikigai. Can you share with us what your Ikigai is, or your reason for being? Yeah, while the comments come in, let me also quickly give you a little bit of theory. Sorry, teacher, that genes exists in me. Ikigai is when 4 things come together. Now, what are these 4 things? 1, what you love. 2, what you're good at. 3, what you can get paid for. And 4, what the world needs. Right? So when these 4 things come together, that's when you found your Ikigai. So I have a lot of people telling me, Riddhi, my reason to jump out of bed every morning is my little child, because, I have to bathe him and feed him and send him to school. Well, no, that's not your Ikigai. Your Ikigai is something that you love, that you're good at. That means you have a skill set for it, that you can be paid for, and you can use that as a profession or a vocation. And then, obviously, something that the world needs. If you have these 4 questions answered with one thing, that's your Ikigai. So when I say that I'm starting this preschool, hi Shweta, thank you for the heart. Hi Ritika. Hi Darshu. So when I say that Ikigai is, the school Ikigai is my Ikigai, I'm trying to say that all these 4 criteria are being matched. I love it. That means I love being with kids. I'm probably good at it, I guess. I can get paid for it, and definitely the world needs it, isn't it? Like I'm truly doing this because I know in Matunga there are so many moms and so many dads and so many friends of mine who have kids who travel 25, 30, 35 minutes away for preschool. Like 2-year-old kids traveling from Matunga to Worli or to Bandra because they don't know what else to do. So of course there is a need for it, and I'm going to start small. So I start with Matunga, which is my home ground and my home territory. Thank you, Ami, for liking the name. Who else do we have here? Hi, Heta. How are you doing? Hi, Nidhi. Yes, Jill, you are a fellow Ikigaite with me because your passion is to teach and that is your Ikigai. Lovely to know. Khyati is saying something. Khyati is saying, I haven't yet found the Ikigai, but your video is really inspiring me to introspect. Oh, great. I hope by the end of it tonight when I'm catching you on Bunch playing Pictionary, you would have figured out what your Ikigai is. I think I know what it is, but I'll wait for you to figure that out. Hi, Ma. Thank you for joining in, Ma. Hi, Sukeshi Kaki. How are you? I hope everyone's doing well. Hi, Mansi. Hi, Chandan. Thank you, Heta, for loving the name. Darshu, you surely will find your Ikigai, baby. You have your Masi with you. Yes, I'd love to know, guys, what your Ikigai is. Nidhi, thank you for the likes on the concept. But please tell me what your Ikigai is and if you found it. Also, guys, I'm happy to take any questions about the school itself. Though right now we're all in tentative lands. Don't know how long the lockdown or the quarantine is going to extend. But the moment it finishes, I promise you the school is going to be ready super quick. And I would be more than excited to have each one of you who's watching this and those who aren't watching it to come visit the school for a school tour. I'm super, super excited. But yeah, anybody else who has any questions or who wants to share with me what their Ikigai is? I hope you understood the concept. I hope I'm a good teacher when it comes to explaining what Ikigai means. A thumbs up would be nice at this point. Okay, thank you for that part. Yeah. Hi, Chaya Auntie, welcome. So I've just finished explaining what the concept of Ikigai means in my own little way, and that I was super impressed and super inspired when I read this book a year ago. And that's why I chose to name the school Ikigai Global Prep School. But yeah, can't wait for this pandemic to quickly die out and for our usual lives to begin so that we can all get back to our Ikigais. Hi, Meghna, how are you doing? I hope you're safe. Nandini, yes, your Ikigai would be your ability to communicate and connect with people of various age groups. I agree, including children. I agree, Nandini, you're a great people's person and I think you found your Ikigai bang on. Nidhi, you have a question whether the school is Montessori or it's Playway. Well, a lot of parents would not have heard of the concept, but this is actually a mixed global pedagogy school where I'm going to be bringing in the best of all pedagogies or best of all methodologies, to put it simply. So yes, there's going to be a little bit of Montessori, but we are inspired by a lot of other Indian as well as global pedagogies like Reggio Emilia, if you've heard of it. There's Waldorf Steiner. America's Bank Street curriculum, multiple intelligences, has always been super close to my heart. So this is a school that brings the best practices and the best techniques of working with children under one roof. And that's pretty much, the idea with the school. Of course, more will be shared once the website is ready, and I can't wait to share it with all of you. Yes. Thank you for the likes and the love that's coming in. This is my first time doing live for adults, and I was just telling someone I'm not good with a live session with adults. I don't know how this is going to be. I wish I had a storybook and I could just go like, hey, Harry's having a birthday party. But that's not it. I'm talking to adults, but I think I'm doing pretty well so far. Okay, any more questions, guys, before I close this out? I hope I've shared the love and the meaning behind the concept of Ikigai. And that's why the school is called Ikigai Global Prep School. Matunga. We're launching physically super soon. We have some amazing, architects on board who I can't wait to introduce to you shortly. Abhilasha and Pasik. I think people who are pulling this thing together. Even though we're all sitting at home in quarantine. Hi Aditi. Hi Sachit. Welcome, welcome. Sachit, I'm sure the kind of well-read person that you are, you already know what Ikigai is. But I was just sharing with everyone else what the concept is and why I chose the name. Sachit, I'd love to know what your Ikigai is. If you don't mind sharing, do type in. It'd be lovely to know. Hi Aditi, how's your little one doing? What are you doing in quarantine with that little one? Are you playing some games and showing them my videos? Hi Shirin ma'am, how is Nashik? I hope you're all safe there. Okay guys, how long have we done so far? Been long enough? Yep. Okay, maybe I think it's time to say goodbye unless anyone has any questions or comments. The video stays on, so feel free to type in even after I've gone off. Yes, Ridhika, you're saying the name sounds cute and sweet, and without a doubt, you're awesome with kids and inspiring for teachers. Oh, thank you so much. I think that's such a sweet compliment coming all the way from Bangalore. But love you, and I've loved being with you, and we continue to share and collaborate. And I think that's the only way education in this country can reach, different levels and different heights. And I think we are getting ready for that now with all the virtual learning and all the Zoom classes and all of that. I think we're up for some really challenging but interesting developments in education. And I can't wait. For Ikigai to kick off. Hi Medha. Hi Nisha auntie. How are you all? Hope everyone's good. I'd love to know what you guys are doing in quarantine though. Like, what are you all doing? Are you all learning something new, reading a new book? I think we've done enough of Netflix, recommendations. But like, what new skills have you learned? Have you baked something new? My bestie. I saw my bestie join in. Hi, Parmi. I miss you. You're so close yet so far. But I'm going to see you soon. Thank you for liking the name, Shirin ma'am. It's truly from my heart. And Ikigai as a school has two purposes for me. One, because I found my Ikigai with children. And two, because I want my children to be exposed to finding their own Ikigai. And it doesn't stop there. I'm going to get my parents, all the parents who enroll, to also find their Ikigai. Because I think once you get there, you're just happy. You just find long-term happiness, and I think that's what we all want at the end of the day, right? Like, okay, great salary packages and all of that continues, but happiness is what we all crave for, and Ikigai gets us right there. Nandini, what do you have to say? For children at that age to begin finding that Ikigai under your fabulous guidance would be outstanding. The very best of everything to you. Thank you, Nandini, for those best wishes, which you always keep pouring on me, and I wish you the same. I think all the children under your care are super lucky to have you as their teacher. Of course, we don't stop here. We keep collaborating. We keep learning from each other, and that's how it goes. Hi, Nidhi. Hi, Sayam. How are you doing? Are you done with the workout for the day? Thank you for your best wishes. I think I'm going to tune out now. It was lovely having this live with all of you. And thank you for so much of participation. Thank you for being there for me. I love you all, and can't wait for Ikigai to have all of your blessings. See you soon. Bye-bye. Take care. Stay safe and stay indoors, guys.